Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Skyfold Flight. I'm Ashish, and on this channel, we create amazing paper airplanes that not only look incredible, but also fly farther, smoother, and longer. If you enjoy making paper airplanes, or you're looking for a design that delivers both great performance and an exciting flying experience, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to build an awesome paper airplane called the Blue Baron. This isn't just another ordinary paper plane. It's a unique design that combines speed, stability, and smooth gliding into one amazing model. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced paper airplane enthusiast, you're going to have a lot of fun building and flying this one. The folding sequence for this model was created by Josh from JD Origami, whose creative designs have inspired paper airplane fans around the world. If you love origami and paper aircraft, I highly recommend checking out his channel for more fantastic creations. One of the best features of the Blue Baron is its strong locking mechanism. This clever design keeps all the folds tightly secured during flight, helping the airplane maintain its shape even after multiple throws. Because of this, the plane feels stable in the air and delivers a much smoother and more controlled flight than many traditional paper airplanes. Another reason this model stands out is that it's a perfect combination of a dart and a glider. It has wide wings that allow it to glide gracefully through the air, while its streamlined body still gives it impressive speed. By making small adjustments to the wings, you can customize its flying style. Fold the wings slightly tighter for faster flights, or keep them a bit wider for longer, smoother glides. For this build, I used Celestial Blue paper, which gives the airplane a clean and premium appearance. If you have the printable template, your finished model will look even more professional. But don't worry, even if you're using a regular sheet of paper, you can still achieve excellent results by making neat and accurate folds. Now, let's see how the Blue Baron performs in the air. To make this airplane, you'll only need a standard 8.5 11-inch sheet of paper. A ruler can be helpful for making more precise folds, but it's completely optional. The most important thing is to fold carefully and keep both sides as symmetrical as possible. Take your time with every fold. Press each crease firmly, align all the edges carefully, and avoid rushing through the process. Even a small difference between the two wings can affect how the airplane flies. Clean folds and good symmetry are the keys to getting the best performance from this design. Once your Blue Baron is finished, take it outside to an open area with little or no wind. Hold the airplane level and give it a smooth, confident throw. Try launching it at different angles to discover the flight style you like best. With a few small adjustments, you'll be able to fine-tune its speed, glide, and overall performance. I hope you enjoy building and flying this amazing paper airplane as much as I did. If you do, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Skyfold Flight for more incredible paper airplane tutorials every week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Ashish, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting paper airplane design. Until then, happy folding and happy flying.